Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make burrito with rice full guide. Start by cooking rice, prepping fillings, warming tortillas, and assembling burritos step by step. I'll walk you through seasoning the protein, layering rice and beans for stability, and adding sauces without making a mess. Follow pacing tips to keep tortillas pliable and fillings hot. By the end, you'll wrap tight, grill slightly, and serve proud. Warm and casual here. Cook the rice gently and don't rush the simmer stage for fluffy grains. Rinse first, then use a 1:2 ratio for most long-grain rice and adjust slightly for stickier varieties. Once the rice is cooked, rest it covered for a few minutes and then fluff with a fork to release steam. Season simply so rice complements your other fillings without overpowering them. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It keeps your floors burrito crumble free while you cook. On another note, check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Let's assemble with confidence. Warm tortillas make folding easy and help seals stick. Start with a thin layer of rice to anchor fillings, add beans and protein next, then cheese and fresh toppings to finish. Fold the sides in, roll snugly, and press the seam down on a hot pan or press for a minute to seal. Serve with salsa, sour cream, and a lime wedge for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.